Hey guys, it's Alyssa with WTI. If you're looking for a great set of disposable plates, these palm leaf plates from meat are a beautiful addition to any spread. The smaller dish is great for salads, appetizers, or dessert, and the large plate is more than enough room even for a big meal. You can see our dinner didn't even fill out these plates. Even the small plate fits all of this sushi. These are great for backyard parties, and because they don't absorb liquids, they don't get soggy or soak through. And they're even sturdy enough to sit on your lap for a barbecue. I loved using them on my camping trip because they can be thrown away or even disposed of in the bonfire. We used them for so many things on our family vacation, like here when we were doing our donut sampling on the small plate, or the charcuterie board that we made on the large plate. So if you're looking for a really versatile yet super functional disposable plate, you're going to love these palm leaf plates from meat. And that's my point of view.